थैंक यू सर, वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्पीच। हमारे बीच डॉक्टर नीरज गुप्ता है, IACA से, वो ही इज हेडिंग द स्कूल ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस इन IACA। कैन बी humbly request him to please join the dais, guys? And clapping for him also. So friends, thanks to all of you for joining this summit. I appreciate your wisdom to join this conference, because you also in your life, I believe, promote good governance in your life, in your organization. That is why this summit has interested you. So I appreciate your again wisdom to join this summit. And in fact, I welcome all the speakers. Few of the speakers have already arrived here, and the participants. So friends, good governance, we all know the government has given us a target to achieve Viksit Bharat, Developed India by 2047, and we need good governance, we need ESG principles to reach that target. And whenever, friends, we discuss topics like ESG, responsible business, transparency, ethics, CSR, sustainability, a developed and better world, governance, good governance is the prerequisite for for the responsible growth of a nation and a better world. And friends, governance and dharma both are mutually inclusive. If a person follows dharma, governance is spontaneous for him. But यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा धर्म and dharma is different. I will not go into detail, but dharma and dharma is different, and they may not be mutually inclusive. In dharma, we have various rituals. If we follow dharma, we are spiritual. So I believe if we follow dharma like Dharmaraj Yudhishthira, governance is spontaneous for us. And many times it is said that governance has to come from within. So that within needs to be developed with dharma. So let us develop. If we believe, I as a speaker always recommend that when these words, governance, ESG, responsibility, accountability, honesty, truth, non-violence, if these words do not click to my mind or your mind, अगर आपको लगता है कि इन वर्ड से मेरे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो you need to introspect your life, particularly when you are 50 plus. If you do not like these words, then we need to introspect. We need to meditate and learn these words, so that whenever these words came anywhere, I inspire myself and others. Because after reading so much the life of great people, I realized that dharma, governance, truth, non-violence, and goals, professional and spiritual goals. These are the key words for my success, for my growth, for my potential to come out. The human potential can come out only when we follow dharma and governance. And I believe that when we follow dharma, India, although a predominantly religious country, 95% we are religious, but we are not following dharma. If we have been following dharma, we would not have those crimes, frauds, scandals, violence, unrest, and all those words. In India and the world, both. Human beings are alike, चाहे वो इंडिया में रहते हो, चाहे वो बाहर रहते हो. So friends, so far we have managed to live a good life in whatever way in India and the world, but now the time has arrived. We are facing various challenges. We are facing climate challenge. Since the last week of June, we are continuously experiencing rains in Delhi. Continuously. In the month of September, yesterday, it was raining very heavily. आप उसको टाल सकते हैं कि यार इससे मेरा क्या कनेक्शन है? I believe है. This carbon footprints I am generating is creating climate crisis situation. So we all need to watch our climate footprints. I attended a few big conferences 500 उनकी एक टारगेट होता है कि 500 ऑडियंस होनी चाहिए and big conferences, and we have lavish lunch, everything lavish, and we are doing a conference on something like there is one fuel we blended with the petrol. Ethanol, yes. And they distributed a book of cost 5,000 rupees worth book. उसके बहुत thick book थी to each and every participant. So but the point is that we need to see that how much carbon footprint we are creating. And then after reading, after doing various conferences, we need to take action. It is important to take action. How to take action? How take action लेने के लिए हम लोगों को अपने कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स को कम करना पड़ेगा. We need to watch our foods. There are apps available which can guide us कि हम कितने कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स जनरेट कर रहे हैं. In fact, one of my ESG committee member recommended me, मैं इस टाइम तो नहीं कर पाया, अगली बार करूँगा, कि दीपक की ये आपकी कॉन्फ्रेंस से कितने कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स जनरेट होंगे, उसको कोशिश करना कि उसको ऑफसेट करने की कोशिश करना कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद. So maybe by tree plantations or something else, so that we can have more oxygen, and it is a very innovative idea, and we will try it next time. So friends, we need to take action. It is very important. 50% of India is flooded at present. More than 50%. Gujarat is fully flooded. Delhi, we are experiencing excessive rains. Yesterday I was reading in the Business Standard that the government is considering weather management. Predictions तो बहुत हो गया. Government saying predictions तो बहुत हो गया. Now we will manage the weather. How? That if it is not raining, we will see how it can rain, and if it is raining excessively, we will see how it cannot rain. So this can also happen scientifically, maybe with the help of AI and all in the years to come. We do various conferences, and we do various parties. Celebrities do various parties worth crores, and we generate carbon footprints. In our companies, in the top listed companies, Sanjay is here, Rakesh ji is here. We are implementing BRSR reporting, ESG reporting is there. But when we are as an individual, there is no ESG is applicable to me. So as an individual, मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं कितना भी खर्चा कर सकता हूँ, मैं कितने भी कार्बन फुटप्रिंट जनरेट कर सकता हूँ. बट एज ए कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर जब मैं जाता हूँ, वहाँ पे चेयरमैन हूँ, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ, तो बाइंडेशन है सेबी की, बट एज ए इंडिविजुअल नहीं है. तो आई कैन डू लेविश पार्टीज एंड जनरेट कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, कॉल टू एक्शन में we recently did one roundtable conference and realized that जब हम conference करते हैं, we are professionals over here, but what about the other sections of the society? We are not including them, making aware. Like last time we discussed, homemakers, senior citizens, youth. They are more than 50%, 60%, 70% people. We need to make them aware about carbon footprints. हाई जो सोसाइटीज हैं जहाँ पर होम मेकर्स हैं एंड ऑल है, उनको वी नीड टू टेल देम. इफ आई लिव इन हाई राइज सोसाइटी, बट मैं उनको बोल के थक गया हूँ, दे आर नॉट कंसर्न. वेस्ट सेग्रीगेशन, वाटर, दे आर नॉट कंसर्न. वो नहीं सुनते. सो वी नीड टू मेक देम अवेयर. वी नीड टू डू कम्युनिकेशन, एडवर्टीजमेंट. वी नीड टू स्प्रेड थ्रू FM रेडियो. हम जब गाड़ी में हम सब सुन के आते हैं, तो FM रेडियो में हम क्यों नहीं एडवर्टीजमेंट दे रहे कि कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स के बारे में क्यों नहीं कर रहे. भाई रिंग टोन में भी हम कर सकते हैं, रिंग टोन में भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. गवर्नमेंट एंड द अदर ग्रेट लीडर्स, दे शुड डू समथिंग दैट दिस अवेयरनेस शुड स्प्रेड एज फार एज पॉसिबल. इन द लास्ट, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कॉन्शियसनेस. वी नीड कॉन्शियस लीडरशिप टू मूव टूवर्ड्स ए डेवलप्ड इंडिया, टू मूव टूवर्ड्स ए नेट जीरो in India and the world. Conscious leadership means the leader who knows कि मेरे एक्शन का रिजल्ट क्या होगा. And unconscious leader is who is not cared what my action will bring in. So conscious माने मैं जागा हुआ हूँ, and unconscious में नहीं, मैं सोया हुआ हूँ. So we need conscious leadership. And someone asked me in a gathering, what do you mean by consciousness and how I can achieve consciousness? So friends, normally our life consists of our body and mind. We are क्या बोलना चाहिए, slaves of our senses, So we need to transcend our body and mind and reach consciousness. This can be done with the help of meditation. आप अपने higher self को, the Brahman, the God inside you, उसको जगाएं. And that can be done with the help of meditation. And जब आप उसको जगाएंगे, then you will not do any mistakes in your life. जब आपके पास कोई लगेगा कि मेरे को कुछ करना है, when एक आदमी की consciousness जाग जाती है, that can be awake through meditation and other means, then he or she will not do anything, any wrong act in his life. And let me tell you, उसकी जो success होती है, वो unparalleled होती है. If we awake our consciousness. हम कई बार सोचते हैं ये consciousness इन सब चक्रों में पड़ेंगे तो हम अपना वो success कैसे पाएंगे, materialistic चीजें कैसे पाएंगे. Success पैसा तो सबको चाहिए, but ये सर मेरे ख्याल से ये misnomer है. Once you achieve your higher self, your higher potential, your higher wisdom, your higher purpose, your higher meaning, then your success is unparalleled. आपकी success के आगे कोई टिक नहीं पाएगा. जितने भी great leaders को success मिली है आज की डेट में, अभी काउंटिंग कर लेते हैं, महात्मा गांधी से लेकर present leaders तक, they are all consciously awake. That is why they were great. That is why they were great leaders. So friends, last में मैं जैसे request करता हूँ, कुछ और few of my colleagues know that action लेना है, तो action के लिए I will request that all of you to please stand up and take a pledge for good governance. Please. मैं एक बार निकाल लेता हूँ मोबाइल में. इतना स्टेट कर सकते हैं, मेरे को ऐसा ना दिखे, सॉरी, कि हम इसको केयरलेसली कर रहे हैं. So we the participants of DMA Governance Summit solemnly pledge to uphold the highest standards of governance in all aspects of our life, personal, professional, and societal. In pursuit of a sustainable future, we pledge to adopt and promote sustainable practices, support ESG principles, encourage inclusivity, collaborate and engage actively. With this pledge, we commit to play an active role in building a developed India by 2047. One that is sustainable, equitable, and resilient. Together, we will drive the change needed to achieve net zero and create a future where humanity and nature thrive in harmony. Thank you, friends. Thanks for this bothering. Thank you. And now we will request Dr. Neeraj Gupta to enlighten us with governance.